Hello, music, my old friend. I've come to piss on you again. I wrote a cover song no one asked for, suddenly played in every retail store. Now whenever you're in Chipotle or TJ Maxx, buy some slacks, you'll hear the sound of Draiman. No one writes songs as deep as me, as wise as Buddha and Gandhi. The pompous, lame, affected way I sing gets praised as genius thanks to marketing, 'cause my label pays tens of millions to make it seem like I'm mainstream. People praise the sound of Draiman. And in my concerts while I play, some have the nerve to look away. People on cell phones with their families, people who should be focusing on me, interrupting songs. Well, I'll hit them with a real sick burn. Then they'll learn not to disrupt the show of Draiman. I had to kill my Twitter feed, 'cause Robert kept on mocking me. I wish they'd fire him, he's a disgrace. Won't even write his tweets in uppercase. Now the world is deprived of my right-wing rants, written in all caps by Draiman. Now the critics cheer and rave, but some things still drive me insane, like people criticizing Israel, people thinking I'm Howie Mandel, and when soup and cracker crumbs keep sticking in that thin thing underneath my mouth, how do I shout? Welcome to the very important life of Draiman.
To hear more, find the Metal Injection Livecast on iTunes, or you can go to metalinjection.net/livecast.